Welcome to our quick comparison of two top countertop ice makers, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we will look at how these two products stack up against each other in terms of price, speed of ice production, and energy efficiency. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your drinks, choosing the right ice maker can make all the difference. Let's dive in. The Igloo Automatic Ice Maker is priced at $99, making it a premium option for those seeking durability and performance. In contrast, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at just $69. This significant price difference makes the Antarctic Star an attractive choice for cost-conscious consumers looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. When it comes to ice production speed, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker takes about 7 minutes to produce 9 cubes, while the Antarctic Star is slightly faster, producing 8 cubes in just 6 minutes. Although the Antarctic Star produces 1 less cube per cycle, its quicker cycle time can be beneficial for those in need of ice in a hurry. Energy efficiency is another important factor to consider. The Igloo model consumes 120 watts, while the Antarctic Star is more energy efficient at just 88 watts. This lower power consumption not only helps reduce electricity bills, but also makes the Antarctic Star a more eco-friendly option for users who are conscious about their energy usage. In conclusion, both the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you value premium materials and larger ice production capacity, the Igloo may be worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a more affordable, energy-efficient option that still delivers on performance, the Antarctic Star is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.